Hey everyone, and welcome. In our world of instant messages and super fast texts, we can talk to anyone, anywhere in a second. It's amazing, right? But have you ever felt like it's lost a little bit of its heart along the way? Well, today we're going to dive into a really cool project that's all about bringing back some of that old school charm to the way we say hello online. Just think about it for a second. The last time you sent a birthday message, what did it say? Was it a quick happy birthday or maybe just HBD? Hey, we've all done it. It's fast, it gets the job done, but does it really capture how you feel? That's kind of the problem we're looking at today. That little gap between the warmth we want to send and what a simple text can actually show. So what's the fix for this? Well, that's where something called vintage magic comes in. You can think of it as the perfect antidote to those generic, kind of forgettable digital messages. It's a way to send something with a whole lot more personality and, heart. So what is it, exactly? At its core, Vintage Magic is an app for making these awesome, personalized, vintage-style greeting cards. But it's really about three things coming together perfectly: making it super personal, giving it this unique, cool look, and making it ridiculously easy to use. The whole idea is to make your message, whether it's for a birthday, an anniversary, or just a random hello, feel like it truly matters. It's really all about mixing the best of the old world with the new. You get that classic, timeless vibe of a handcrafted card, the quill, the wax seal, all that cool stuff. But you get to do it all with the modern convenience of just using your phone and sharing it in an instant. This is how you make a simple message really stand out in a sea of notifications. Okay, so how does it actually work? You might be thinking it sounds complicated, but the whole promise of Vintage Magic is that it's just simple. Let's walk through just how easy it is to create something really beautiful. It's always the little details that make something feel really special. And this is one of those details. The cards aren't just flat, boring images. As the site says, you can actually move your mouse or touch to see them flutter. How cool is that? This tiny interactive touch just brings your creation to life and makes it feel a little more tangible, a little more magical. The entire process is literally just a simple 3-page flow. It's so easy. You start on the landing page. Then you get to the fun part. You pick your text and your theme. This is where you make it yours. And finally, you just preview the card to make sure it's perfect and share it with a click. It's designed to be super intuitive from the get-go. But here's where things get really interesting. Vintage Magic isn't just a tool. It actually has a mission. This is where it goes from being just a cool app to a whole community-focused movement, all centered around spreading a little more care out there in the world. And this is their rallying cry, right from the project's page. Let's send the love and care. Join the movement. It's basically an open invitation to be part of something bigger, something positive, just by using this simple tool to make a difference, one thoughtful message at a time. And they put a number on it, a big one. The goal is to get 10,000 cards sent with care through the app. That's such an ambitious target, and it means that every single card you decide to send is actually a small step toward this huge shared goal. And what's really neat is you can actually track the community's progress right on the site. Right now, they're already 10% of the way there. Seeing this progress bar makes the whole thing feel so much more real, right? It shows that every single card is helping push that bar forward. You can literally see the collective effort happening in real time. Oh, and for any of you who are curious about the tech side of things, what's under the hood, the whole experience is powered pretty much entirely by JavaScript. It's just a fantastic example of how one of the most common web languages can be used to create something so artistic and so interactive. Pretty cool. So after seeing how it works, how simple it is, and the big mission behind it, there's really only one thing left to do, right? Give it a try yourself. Are you ready to send a message that really pops and, actually brightens someone's day? You can go create your own card this very second by visiting vinmagic.bydeb.in. That's VINMAGIC, all one word, .bydeb.in. Go ahead, check it out, and see for yourself how quick and fun it is. And that really brings us to the final thought. I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. Who's the first person that pops into your head right now? Whose day are you going to brighten first?